Hi class, my name is Marissa Angelo and today I'm going to be presenting my PowerPoint on metacognitive strategies. Okay, so first you're probably wondering, what is metacognition? So metacognition is the process of thinking about thinking, so knowing about knowing. That sounds confusing, but this will help students understand the way that they learn. It's used to make decisions that maximize learning outcomes and assist students to meet their goals. It helps to reflect on not only what you are learning, but how you are learning. So not only does this help students understand the way that they learn, but it helps students learn academic tasks more efficiently. It helps and promotes problem-solving skills. Metacognitive activity occurs when students adapt and manage their thinking strategies during problem-solving and purposeful thinking. So there is a metacognition process. So the process starts with number one, which is planning. So your approach, so you have to plan out your approach, how you will understand the information. Number two, monitoring. So monitoring your comprehension of the information. So this can work as practice tests, review, studying, flashcards, and memory. And the third thing of this process is evaluating. So you evaluate the results and you modify your approach to learning when you need to. So when you evaluate, you can see what you need more help in, what you need more challenge in. So strategies. In order for these things to work, students must be motivated, patience, taking time to execute these strategies, and explaining to your students how this will benefit them. So learning, the learner must be motivated. It takes time to execute and learn the strategies. It doesn't just happen in one sitting. Explaining to the students how this is going to help them in the long run for learning and to better comprehend the information. Students should explore, this is really important, students should be exploring which strategy works best for them. It could be all of these things mixed in, but it could be they could notice that some just don't work as well as others. So teachers should be modeling these strategies to follow, to help flow the brains of the students and to get questions going. So student study strategies. So spreading out and consolidating learning, asking themselves questions, taking good notes, and reviewing/writing. So these things will help students with the studying process and help them retain more information. So it's important here that you're spreading out and consolidating. So you're not only are you're not cramming things last minute, but you're actually taking time to organize and to learn. Asking themselves questions. So this will help remembering and help them remember and ask themselves what they're learning. So to stop between, maybe each lesson, each page, each paragraph, and, just ask, what did I just learn? What is this about? Taking good notes. So organization is key for this. So you want to think, sometimes you could be summarizing, outlining. You could use concept maps, which are really, really helpful. Testing yourself as well, thinking out loud. So this is a really big one as well that will help some students, is that to think aloud and write and review. So maybe you just studied 2 pages of something. You want to maybe write out everything that you just went over, just a quick recap and a quick review in your own words. So planning how to approach these learning tasks, that is a very important one. So you may have all the tools getting ready to study, but planning out how you are going to approach these learning tasks is going to be very important and a vital component in these strategies. I hope you liked my presentation. Thank you.